welcome. My name is Jacob and this is TradeHappy, a platform for traders around the world to be happy and consistently profitable. Today we are going to be talking about why now is the best time to learn about the stock market and investing. We've got 5 reasons and one bonus at the end, so make sure you stick around and make sure you get all the points. Our first point is that you have time. Obviously most of the world is on lockdown, and let's say you were going to drive for 30 minutes in the morning and once you've finished work, or maybe you've walked to work or whatever, but it takes you half an hour or an hour there and back. At the end of the week you've got 5 hours extra time to learn how to invest, so having the excuse of not enough time isn't irrelevant or isn't relevant now because of being on lockdown and having that extra time that you wouldn't have had before, and it's not going to be there forever, so make sure that you take advantage of the situation that you are in, because 5 hours every single week over a long period of time can really add up, and you could have a great opportunity of learning how to invest your money, which obviously leads on to my next point, which is if you do invest, well, I'm not saying that you will get gains, but over the long period of time the chances are that you will get gains, and if you can turn your money into consistent dividends every single month or consistent profits every single month from stock investing or whatever other kind of investing you're looking at in terms of maybe gold or silver, learning how to actually generate consistent income from the markets is something that you could do whilst in lockdown. So point 3 is the earlier you start, the better. If you're investing for 40 years or 50 years or 20 years, there's a large difference between each of those numbers, and the earlier that you can start, the better the returns are going to be later down the road. The 4th reason is stocks are cheaper. So obviously I'm sure you're aware that the stock market has been crashing. We've had a little bit of a bullish momentum over the last couple of weeks, so I'm not going to say that it would be a good time to invest now, but if you are learning how to invest, you could slowly put some money into the markets over the next year or 2 years, and maybe in 5 years you could be paying for some bills, or depending on how much you've obviously invested, you could not have to go to a job anymore. And if you can do that within 5 or 10 years, surely it's worth it just to start now and learn how to actually invest. And number 5 kind of encapsulates all of the points, all of the reasons, that there's no perfect time to actually start. The best time to start was yesterday, and the next best time is today. So put in the time to actually learn how to invest and learn how to make money from the markets, and give yourself a chance to actually make money in the future, because there isn't going to be a perfect time to invest. There never is. But if you can invest now, it's better than waiting thinking that there's going to be another perfect time to invest. And bonus one, the 6th reason why now is the best time to learn how to invest in the stock market is in 5 or 10 years, that could be worth a holiday, it could be worth a car, it could be worth a watch, it could be worth anything. It could be worth however much you want to put in. You could get that back in return tenfold within the next 10 years. So make sure that you actually use this time to learn and use this time productively, so that in 10 years you can get the rewards of putting the time in now. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, put a comment below if you've already started to invest or if you're thinking about investing, and I'll see you in the next video.